I'm going to teach you guys how to clean your makeup brushes really fast and also sanitize them. This was a trick that I learned from a friend on a cruise ship. Shout out to Diane Gordon. She learned this from a makeup artist friend, and it has been a game changer for me. I no longer spend an hour plus in the bathroom scrubbing my brushes, doing everything. This is a lot faster, a lot easier. I get a lot cleaner brushes, and it only takes about 15 minutes. So to get started, all you need is some isopropyl alcohol, some disposable cups, and you're gonna need a paper towel or an old rag, and of course your dirty makeup brushes. You're gonna take the rubbing alcohol, and I like to use a couple of cups just so this goes faster. I typically do about 5 cups, and I just fill up the bottom of the cups. You don't have to fill them up all the way, just enough that wherever the bristles are. Let me just clean up the mess I made because it's gonna ruin my desk. Once you have all of your cups ready to go, all you're gonna do is start taking your makeup brushes and you're just gonna put them in. I like to put them in, give them a quick little swirl. You're just gonna leave them sitting here for about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And if you really need makeup brushes clean fast, this is a great thing to do even while you're prepping your skin before you start your makeup, so that way all your brushes are clean and ready to go. For the double-ended ones, I like to take it and flip them once I've done one side. You can already start to see how it just takes so much of that product off. Look at that, gross. And there you go. So now we are gonna let this sit for just a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna clean them off, and that's it. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to do this whole process.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so now that our makeup brushes have been sitting for a couple minutes, all you're gonna do is you're just gonna take your paper towel, going to take a brush, and you're just gonna wipe it in the direction of the bristles until it runs clean. So this one's nice and clean, and you're just gonna repeat this process for every brush. Sometimes I go back in and get a little bit more of whatever was left on that brush. Sometimes it's just the color from the dirty alcohol, but for the most part, it will always run clean. And this is really great for me because I use a lot of black in our show, and then I don't use a lot of black in just about every other show. So this gets the black off my brushes very, very quickly, and it also just sanitizes them. See, there's that black. So I'll just go in and I'll just pull some more off, and you can see it starts to run clean. I'm not kidding, this was the best life-changing hack I think I've ever done. And I'm just gonna repeat this process till they're all done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found it helpful. Keeping your brushes clean is such an easy step to add into your makeup routine, and it seriously makes a huge difference for your skin and your application. I mean, seriously, look at that alcohol. It is disgusting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly tips and tricks for performers, plus insights on how to grow your brand and get seen as a creative in today's world. And until next time, with fire and grace, I'm Rhaenyx.